photos was my last photo with my dad before he passed on very suddenly. 24 hours when he was admitted to the hospital, he was gone. And that photo, the memories that triggered from that photo was that we were shopping at NTUC. And then we were eating this crackles thing, and then we were just like having fun, and then we're taking photos, waiting for a taxi to go home. So so I just want to prove a point that there is memories and there is stories in every photos, and if you think of the questions of where it was taken, what happened before that, what happens after that, so there's many questions within the photos actually on how you can do coaching. And I will be sharing a coaching model called ontological coaching, which I am trained in as a New Field certified coach. Really love to share with you. So join me. I only have 20 seats and limited. Join me.